Folks across the country welcome the new year. New Yorkers are welcoming some new laws taking effect today, from an increase in benefits to more protections against discrimination in the workplace. 2025 is going to bring some big changes.
We spoke to an employment lawyer to find out what you need to know before you head back to work.
With the new year comes new laws for anyone who works in New York, starting with paid family leave.
Short answer is that the benefit will be a little bit higher.
In 2025, workers who take family leave will see an increase of over $300 compared to last year, with the maximum weekly benefit being $1,177.
Maternity leave, paternity, that's kind of the probably most common reason, but it could be anything. It could be any health condition, somebody gets cancer.
Also this January, a first of its kind policy helping expecting mothers get to their prenatal appointments.
It's unprecedented.
Paid prenatal leave will require all private employers to provide an additional 20 hours of paid sick time for prenatal care for appointments and procedures.
And there's no accrual with that, so you don't have to be there for a certain period of time.
Minimum wage workers will see a bump in their paychecks to $15.50 an hour, while new legislation expands workers' comp benefits for all workers, allowing anyone who faces extraordinary work-related stress or a job-related mental health crisis to file for benefits.
The law uses the phrase extraordinary work-related stress. It's got to be something more than just, I'm going to my office job and I'm stressed out by it. That's probably not going to fly. That will kind of remain to be seen, exactly how people substantiate these claims.
And New York's Equal Rights Amendment, passed by voters in November, will add to the list of classes protected from discrimination. Cook says the laws meant to protect workers can be daunting sometimes if you're operating a business in the state.
It's a trade-off. They can place a burden on employers. Those burdens are often less than you might think once you get into it.
Now, another big change for New Yorkers this year, the state making EpiPens more affordable for those with severe allergies. The out-of-pocket cost for the life-saving medicine will now be capped at $100. That starts today. Last month, Governor Kathy Hochul also signed legislation requiring EpiPens to be easily accessible at large public venues.